Hi, welcome to brand new channel called Gulmohar Entertainment. In this channel, we can see the various kind of TRP of different languages in all over the India. In today's video, we can see the TRP of Kannada serials. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to click on like button. Also, please share the video with your friends and family, and don't forget to click on subscribe button because it's a brand new channel. So let's start today's video. First of all, we can see the Kannada serials with TRP in between top 25 to top 21. So on number 25, we have star Swarna serial Gauri Shankara, and this week TRP of Gauri Shankara is 2.6. With this TRP, Gauri Shankara is coming in average category. Then on number 24, we have star Swarna serial Anuvu Mathe Shravani, and this week TRP of Anuvu Mathe Shravani is 2.6. With this TRP, Anuvu Mathe Shravani is coming in average category. Basically, we categorize serials in category as good category, great category, average category, and danger category. This category is based on TRP of serials. So on number 23, we have Colors Kannada show Brundavana, and this week TRP of Brundavana is 2.7. With this TRP, Brundavana coming in average category. Then on number 22, we have Colors Kannada serial Antarpata, and this week TRP of Antarpata is 2.8. With this TRP, Antarpata is coming in average category. Then on number 21, we have Zee Kannada show Naga Mandala, and this week TRP of Naga Mandala is 2.8. With this TRP, Naga Mandala is coming in good category. So now we can see the serials between top 20 to top 16. So on number 20, we have the Kannada serial Annapurna, and this week TRP of Annapurna is 2.8. Then on number 19, we have the Kannada serial Satya, and this week TRP of Satya is 2.9. With this TRP, Satya is coming in good category. So then on number 18, we have Colors Kannada serial Shri Gauri, and this week TRP of Shri Gauri is 3.1. With this TRP, Shri Gauri is coming in good category. Then on number 17, we have the Kannada serial Bhumige Bandha Bhagwanta, and this week TRP of Bhumige Bandha Bhagwanta is 3.1. With this TRP, Bhumige Bandha Bhagwanta is coming in good category. So on number 16, we have the Kannada show Punarvivaha, and this week TRP of Punarvivaha is 3.1. With this TRP, Punarvivaha is coming in good category. So now we can see the serials between top 15 to top 11. So on number 15, we have Colors Kannada show Karimini, and Karimini TRP is 3.4. With this TRP, Karimini is coming in good category. Then on number 14, we have the Kannada serial Triyani, and Triyani is this week TRP of 3.4. With this TRP, Triyani is coming in good category. Then on number 13, we have Colors Kannada show Kenda Samipenge, and this week TRP of Kenda Samipenge is 3.5. With this TRP, Kenda Samipenge is coming in good category. Then on number 12, we have star Suvarna show Nina Dena, and this week TRP of Nina Dena is 3.6. Then on number 11, we have star Suvarna show Udo Udo Shri Renuka Yellamma, and this week TRP of Udo Udo Shri Renuka Yellamma is 3.9. With this TRP, Udo Udo Shri Renuka Yellamma is coming in good category. So now we can see the shows between top 10 to top 6. So on number 10, we have star Suvarna show Yadiyur Shri Siddhilingeshwara, and this week TRP of Yadiyur Shri Siddhilingeshwara is 4.1. With this TRP, this show is coming in good category. So on number 9, we have Colors Kannada show Lakshmi Brahma season 2, and this week TRP of Lakshmi Brahma season 2 is 4.3. With this TRP, Lakshmi Brahma season 2 is coming in good category. Then on number 8, we have Zee Kannada show Shri Rastu Shubhamastu, and this week TRP of Shri Rastu Shubhamastu is 4.5. With this TRP, Shri Rastu Shubhamastu is coming in good category. Then on number 7 we have Colors Kannada show Bhagyalakshmi, and this week TRP of Bhagyalakshmi is 4.8. With this TRP, Bhagyalakshmi coming in good category. Then on number 6 we have the Kannada show Shravani Subramanya, and this week TRP of Shravani Subramanya is 5.2. With this TRP, Shravani Subramanya is coming in good category. So now we can see the top 5 Kannada shows of this week. So on number 5 we have the Kannada show Amrita Dhare, and this week TRP of Amrita Dhare is 5.6. With this TRP, Amrita Dhare is coming in great category. It's a really good TRP. Then on number 4 we have Colors Kannada show Ramachari, and this week TRP of Ramachari is 5.9. With this TRP, Ramachari is coming in great category, as well as Ramachari is the number 1 show of Colors Kannada. Then on number 3 we have the Kannada show Sita Rama, and this week TRP of Sita Rama is 6.7. With this TRP, Sita Rama is coming in great category. It's a very good TRP. Then on number 2 we have the Kannada show Putakanna Makallu, and this week TRP of Putakanna Makallu is 8.1. It's a huge TRP. With this TRP, Putakanna Makallu is coming in greatest category. And the topper show in Kannada market is the Kannada show Lakshmi Nivasa. Lakshmi Nivasa is number 1 show of Kannada market, and this week TRP of Lakshmi Nivasa is 8.8. With this TRP, Lakshmi Nivasa is coming in greatest category. So that's it. In today's video, we can see the top 25 Kannada shows with their respective TRP. If you enjoyed today's videos, so don't forget to click on like button. Please share today's video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So see you soon. Till then, take care.